Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing video for you and it is Asos's beauty box for August and this is what it looks like. If you're new to Asos, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about, but if you've seen it all before, I will add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward if you just want to see what I received in this month's box. So Asos started doing these beauty boxes over a year ago now, possibly nearly 2 years. They cost £12 each unless they do like a special edition like a Bobbi Brown one or a Clinique one, and then the boxes are £15. It's not a subscription, you just go online at the beginning of the month, usually the first of every month is when they come out, and it tells you exactly what you receive in the box. If it's a box that takes your fancy, you buy it. If not, you don't have to, so no commitments, which I really like. Every month has a different theme and the average value of everything comes to around £50. All products that are in these boxes can also be bought on the Asos website as well. If you're new to Asos, Asos website sells absolutely everything. Beauty, lifestyle, homeware and fashion. Loads and loads of fashion, I should have said. Now, this box isn't available in every single country, but if I can find the list, there is a list on their website somewhere. If I can find the list, I will add that down in the description, and all links related to this box actually and the Asos website I'll pop down in the description. So underneath this video, if you see show more, click that, that'll bring up the description and all details and everything will be listed down there. It's one of the boxes I get really excited to see what is inside every single month. Most of my boxes are mystery boxes, so I like that this is a little bit different. There's no particular date, there's no particular time that they are released on the website. It's usually around the 1st, sometimes it's been a bit later. As soon as I find out that they've released a box, I always pop it up on my Facebook page and my Instagram page, which is same as this, Diaryofabeautygeek. Shipping is £3, but you can do what I do. I pay £9.99 a year and that entitles me for free next day delivery on everything Asos sells. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Let's open it up and show you what we got in this month's box. So the theme is Go Play. And this is what it looks like in here. Really heavy box this month. So it says, prepared to plan your next big night in. Get ready to cancel your plans this summer as we've got all the face and body goodies for your perfect night in. Everything you need to unwind, relax and reset after a long day. First up, there's the Energizing Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub to exfoliate your skin, and Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment, one of our fave charcoal masks to purify and unclog pores. Then we've got the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Body Butter, aka the perfect post-bath moisturizer to hydrate and moisturize. And then it says, to really take it to the next level, you can give your hands some love with Le Mini Macaron Ice Cream Hand Mask, which is enriched with green tea extracts and coconut oil to leave your mitts feeling nourished in minutes. And don't forget your feet too. Try out our watermelon scented Sunday Rain Foot Soak for the ultimate TLC. Oh, enjoy your free gift. Mood, the joy of missing out. So there's that there. So the first item is the coffee scrub, and this is by Frank Body, and it says, guess what, you'll be naked in a minute, original coffee scrub. And we've got a 20-gram pouch here, and I've tried this before and it is absolutely gorgeous. You have to do it in the shower basically because it makes a complete and utter mess. Imagine coffee all over the place, but oh, it just leaves your skin so soft, really soft. Does it say anything else here? Rub all over your body in circular motions, leave for a minimum of 3 minutes and then rinse. So there's that. Then we got a La Mini Macaron. This is the hand mask, a jasmine and green tea hand mask. That sounds gorgeous. That's what it looks like there. You might notice that all my nails are gone. I had gel nails and yeah, they really weaken my natural nails. And yeah, I had them taken off last week and one by one they've been coming off right down low. So they've been really sore as well. So they do need TLC definitely. Whoop. So I can't wait to try that, give that a go. Then we got a Dr. Jart Ceramidin. This is a body butter. Now this is a full size, 200 mils. Now we've had some of these products in a Asos box before. We had a set of mini, I think it was serum, moisturizers and toners. It's brilliant. So really nice to try a body butter. I haven't tried that before, so really looking forward to trying that. Next we got a little Glam Glow mask, and this is Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I haven't had one of these for a while. We went through a stage of getting a lot of these in subscription boxes, but no, it's been probably about a year, but it is an amazing mask. It's a clay mask, it's charcoal mask, so it releases impurities, it clears skin, it unclogs pores. Oh, it's lovely. It is really nice. Really, really nice. So we got that there. I can see what our freebie is. They've added a Bumble and Bumble, and this is BB While You Sleep, an overnight damage repair mask. Oh, wow. Nourishes and restores at risk hair while you sleep. So this is like a 1 application sachet there. So that's the freebie item. I'm not sure if we'll all be getting this, so if you got an Asos box this month, please let me know if you got the same freebie item or if you got something else. I'd love to know. And then the last item, I'm really excited to try it. It just sounds as if it's going to smell absolutely gorgeous. And this is Sunday Rain, and it's a Rest Easy foot soak in watermelon. This is 400 grams, so a massive, massive pouch. Look there. Oh, watermelon. Lovely, lovely. I'm going to have to open it up and have a sniff. Oh, I want to eat it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so, 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 so gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to do that tonight. I'm going to do that tonight, definitely. Oh, so those are all the items. I'll just gather them all up. We've got a foot soak. We've got a body butter. We've got a body scrub. We've got a hair mask. We've got a hand mask. And we've got a face mask there as well. So a right little Pamper box this month. Really, really lovely. Really lovely. And for £12 as well, I think it's a right bargain. Really happy with this month's box. Really, really happy. Some months are better than others, but as I said at the start, you know, you get to see online if it's the right box for you or not, so you get to choose. So yeah, so I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Do you think it's great value for money? All your thoughts and opinions, please write down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe for more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.